This is a concept design for Chrysler's auto show Pavilion. It was primarily modeled in SketchUp with the vehicles and additional entourage items added in Revit. The animation was rendered out of Revit as individual still frames and stitched together in After Effects. The design features a central arching structural spine with tension cables that would brace the large swooping gestures at either side. These gestures, as well as the central spine, would be developed from a lightweight aluminum space frame geometry, which is showcased here. If you're interested to learn some of the modeling techniques used here or in other similar designs featured on this channel, I'll be posting a follow-up video soon. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions or comments.